So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to search and then type in services. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you want to click on any service and then click on R on your keyboard until you find Remote Access Auto Connection Manager. Here it is. You want to double click on it and then you want to change the startup type to automatic and then click on start, which will then make the service status running. And then click on apply, and now you want to click on the log on tab, and now you want to tick this account, and then your password should be filled in automatically, and then click on OK. And now for the next step, you want to head over to search and type in troubleshoot settings. Click on it. And now you want to click on other troubleshooters. And now on the printer troubleshooter, you want to click on run. If it detects any problems, it will try to fix it for you. Now once you complete both these steps, the problem should be fixed. But if it's still not fixed, you want to head over to search again and type in printers and scanners. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on your printer, and then you want to click on remove. Now once your printer has been removed, you want to click on add device. You want to wait for this to load. It should detect your device again, or you might have another option that will come up that says add manually. You want to click on this, and then you want to click on add the printer using the IP address or hostname, and then click on next, and then just follow the steps, fill it in, and then try to reconnect, and then that should fix your problem.